What's going on, guys? I'm fixing my camera here. This thing is getting all kinds of weird. All right. Getting started here this morning. Going live here on YouTube. It's Tuesday morning. Really the first day of the month. And Friday was like the first day of the month. But today, we're going to call this one the first day of the month. So you can see here, checking out some stocks. Kind of moving some stuff around here. My actually broke one of my monitors last night, so I'm only got one monitor right now, so it might be a little weird trading. We'll see how that goes. But don't worry, I actually ordered a new monitor already. Ordered the new 43-inch LG monitor, so we'll see how that one works out. 43 inches, got to be a beautiful amount of space there, retail space. So you can see here, actually already trading INSM. Boom, look at that. Me and Trade for Life doing the same thing. So you can see this breakdown here on, I actually went, not tiny, but only got 150 shares. Playing it smart this morning. You watched my videos lately, talking about how I wanted to do things a little bit differently this week, kind of make a new plan. Kind of worked out. INSM got up there to that 2763 resistance. Previously, you look on the daily chart, you can see the stock has been up there before. Been up to that 2763 area. Had kind of a double top there. Actually got up there to 2780 there. But 2763 there resistance. So ended up going short there. I was looking for that move back to that 2679 area. Actually broke below that. But I got that still. Got that whole move there down to that 2679 area. So that worked out. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. INSM, nice little trade this morning, making 100 bucks. I can't complain about that. I'll take it. 100 bucks before the market open on a small trade. Not bad, not bad. So you can see 100 bucks, make 108 bucks. Bang. Happy with that. So that's the thing, though, is like those times where you're trying to play it safe, you're going with smaller size, then you get a big win. The last thing you want to do is emotionally be like, oh, I should have went bigger, and then on the next trade go bigger and then lose out. So you got to kind of keep that same sizing the rest of the day. Am I getting nervous about the storm? Ooh. I live in a pretty big apartment building. It's all concrete. I'm on the 7th floor, so worst come to worst, everybody else gets flooded, and I'm chilling on the 7th floor, and now I live on waterfront property. What's going on? What's going on, guys? Good morning. If you guys haven't already, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to be doing this live all week, going live. We'll be hopefully get this hurricane. Well, hopefully not get the hurricane, but if the hurricane does hit, hopefully it hits up during a day. You know, we can open the windows up, have the storm going on here, and do some trading during that hurricane. Force winds. Got plenty of water. Already got the water. Got like 20 cases of water. Not really. Only 3 cases of water. But I think they're gonna end up canceling the Dolphins home opener. I would be a bad idea for them to have that during the hurricane. So you can see INSM, this is the one that I already traded this morning. It's back up to that resistance area there at the 2780 area. Trying to get that move up to the 28s here. And you can see, looking at the 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, this thing gapped up from that $12 area up there to that 2780 there. Breaking through that resistance there, making a new high pre-market. Pretty crazy move. Anybody who was long this one over the weekend is a happy camper right now, waking up and seeing that their stock is now up 127%. 127%. Talk about a wild one. I talk about getting those 100% movers on stocks that are like 50 to 60 to 100, you know, $1 cent. And getting the 100% move on a $12 stock is pretty awesome. I'm sure there's a lot of people who are sitting there right now who are nice and happy. Happy as a clam in a shell. INSM breaking through that $28 area up there at that 28.10. So we'll see if that resistance previously back there. You can look at the daily chart. Got that previous resistance there at the 28.66. That was kind of a double, well, kind of a top there. And that's pretty much the highest this stock has ever been. So looking at the daily chart since back in 2010, stock was up there at 28 on that candle right there. So 28.75 is the resistance that we're watching right now. We'll see if that 28.75 is going to be another top here. But you can see this thing sold off from that 28.75 area back down to that $10, 8.75 area back in the 2015 through 2016. Just a nice steady decline. So this might just be a little bit of a fake out. We'll see. They've got good news. I think there was like a phase 3 news biotech company. You never know with these companies. We'll see it open. Either way it open, I think we'll get some kind of a big move. If you're just now tuning in, you'll see my trade there on INSM going short here at this 27.63 area. The reason that I went short there at 27.63 was, you can see, previously had resistance there. I actually grabbed a couple shares, 49 shares there at 27.38 because we had a kind of a double top there. I thought we might give a little bit of pullback, but ended up getting filled the rest up here at the 27.65 area. 150 shares, got that move down, pretty much a dollar move, a little bit less than a dollar, but still making $108 there pre-market on only 150 shares. So not bad, not bad. Getting that full move. It's one of those things somebody said earlier, well, you should have had a bigger size. I could have had a bigger size and this thing could have ran up bigger. Who knows? You know, can't really sit here and think about it like that. Still, making money, that's what it's really all about. There we go. Somebody made 10 bucks on their first ever trade. That's a good feeling right there. Making money on your first trade. Can't complain about that. So it's Tuesday morning. Checking out a couple other stocks that are moving around this morning. APOP moving around. Up 30% so far. Not a lot of volume. Only 14,000 shares. CDZI moving around this morning. BLPH up 15% so far this morning. The big loser of the morning so far is CLLS. No shares are short there. So possibly someone just said there could be a good opportunity for a bounce there. Looks like could be a nice little bounce. How did I identify the resistance there on INSM? Good question. If you actually, I put a video up. You can watch the video that I posted yesterday. Great little video talking about resistance, talking about support resistance areas, where to short at, all that fun stuff. But like I said, INSM had previous resistance at that 27.60 area. You see it got kind of double top there, 27.75, and then bang, pulled back down to this 20 EMA. It actually broke through the EMA there and went all the way down here to 25.80. So literally a $2 move there. Beautiful move. So INSM up to that 28.30 area right now. So we'll see here at open and where it wants to go, what it wants to do. Overall, pretty strong trend on this, jumping up from that $12 area up there to that 28. So you can see basically just boom, huge gap up, finding some support there at the 22, buying, got there at the 25, buying there, got kind of moved across there, $25 area, and then boom, up there to 28.30 now. So great opportunity if you were long here at the $25 area, buying this support here at $25, now up there to 28.30. Don't worry about it, Patel. It's just part of it, man. There's going to be those stocks that you win on, the stocks that you lose on. You can't think about it. All right, all right. What's the plan this morning? Let's make some money. That's the plan for me today. All right, INSM Thinking we get this move higher here at open. It wants to go above that previous resistance there at the 2860 area. But overall, it's up 130% right now. A stock that's up 130% has to have some kind of pullback. You know, maybe it keeps going higher, but overall, I think we're going to get some kind of pullback there at open. Maybe get that stuck at that 2860 area. Get a bit of a pullback there at open, and then move higher. But overall, it's up 133% right now. Going to be some profit taking there at open. Getting through that 2860 area, maybe right here. 2865 on the ask. It wants to go higher. Got 20 minutes till market open. PYDS, possible short here. Somebody calling out Claymate Fitness. Keep an eye on it, but no shares are short right now for me. Kind of bummed about this CLLS. No shares are short there. Really, the only thing that's moving around this morning, INSM. Kind of see some of the top movers this morning. Nothing really too crazy. So there's the top movers this morning. Got INSM there on the top gainers, already up 130%. And this is from a little bit earlier. You can see CLS kind of selling off there. MZOR got some volume there, but overall, not a lot of things moving around this morning. Looks like Rosetta Stone getting a little bit of a bounce. Might be an opportunity there on Rosetta Stone. Check that one out. But overall, kind of just INSM, the big mover this morning. Everyone gonna be trading this, watching this one there at open. BCRX, check that one out. BCRX, getting up to that $6 area, pulling back now, down to that 555. 144,000 shares traded. Keep an eye on that one. Got that resistance there at the $6 area. Quadruple top, $6 area there, pre-market. Not a lot of shares traded so far, so kind of wait for open. See if this wants to break through. Got it riding the 20 EMA right now. Finding support there at the 555 area. Got plenty of shares to short, so it could be a good little short here at open. It gapped up from that $5 area. Has previous support there at the $4.95, $5 area there from Friday. See if we get a move back to that $5 area. Another one was what? Rosetta Stone. Only 10,000 shares traded so far, so might just be a little bit of a fake out. Not a lot of volume on the stock really ever. You can see normally this thing doesn't really trade or really move that much, so not sure why it's up 8.6% right now. Someone just ended up buying 10,000 shares pre-market there, I guess, on this one little buy there. I don't know why someone would pay 8% higher there pre-market to buy Rosetta Stone. INSM up to that 2880 area, going for that 29 break here. It wants to go. It wants to do it. Let's see if it's going to go for it. Tuh. Jar Jar. Always got the good jokes in here. I like it. INSM up through that $29 area, up to $29.17 now, pre-market high. Whew. Talk about a wild one. It's up 136%. Come on now. Gotta have some kind of pullback here. Plenty of buying still. Big buyer there at $29 right now here. Trying to send this higher. Volume still hanging on there. Volume not decreasing. Breaking through that previous resistance there. There we get some selling there. That 29 buyer getting sold into. But overall, bang. Really strong move here on INSM. I can't believe it's up 133% right now. Like I said earlier, you know, normally you get these 100% moves on a smaller, crappier stock, but something like this, it's up 133%. Gotta expect some kind of profit taken here at open. Yeah, it could be all the Robinhood buyers trying to load up there at 9 a.m. on this move. You can see at 9 a.m. it basically went from $27 up there to $29.20. So that's a good point. That 9 a.m. rush to get filled. Everybody wants to get in on that stock. It's up 130%. I don't think it's a good idea to be buying a stock that's up 133% pre-market just out of nowhere. But hey, if you bought here at the $27 area, sold at the $29 area, nice move there. Not something that I would do personally, but maybe I would, but maybe I wouldn't. Ended up shorting. You can see I'm actually up $100 right now on the day so far, so that's better. Better than the last couple days. Last week, kind of being down on some just stupid trades. INSM working out here this morning, going short there at the resistance there at 2780 area. Had double top there at 2775. Had this pull back down to the EMA there, and then came all the way down here to 2580 after I sold. So I probably could have got another, 50, 60 cents there on that move, but hey, I'm happy with it. Overall, still, the stock was up 100%. I wasn't going to get too crazy. I want to get too greedy there. When am I going to short INSM? If I'm going to short INSM, I'm going to probably wait till open here to see if we get some selling pressure. Might be a long, honestly. It's up 130%, up 130% and still holding. Exactly. That's what I'm thinking, Matthew. INSM, the big mover this morning. Keep talking about it. If you guys aren't looking at it, take a look at it. This is definitely going to be the play of the day here. How long have I been trading? I've been trading almost 2 years now, honestly. Be about, well, about a year and a half, I guess. About a year and 7 months. What's up, Top Gamer? Just keeping an eye here on INSM. A couple other stocks that are moving around this morning is CDZI. Looks like TVX getting some volume. Pre-market, it's up 6.5% right now. We're getting a sell-off in the overall markets. Got the market red right now, pre-market. Get the overall SPY down, 22%. Not a big move right now, so TVIX trying to make a little bit of a move here. VIX moving around this morning. If you like to play with fire, it's always a fun one to play with. AMD active this morning. This one is always kind of moving around. And then looking at APOP, not really doing much. Not a lot of volume there. Only 15,000 shares. It's up 28% right now. But overall, looks like INSM is going to be the big player of the day. Well, how many? We got 2 million shares traded. 2 million shares traded here pre-market. Up 133%. Talk about a wild one. This is one of those stocks that you got to keep an eye on here. It can go either way. You get a big $2, $3 drop here to open. A lot of profit taking here after 133% move. All the people that are finally able to trade there at 9:30 who are going to be taking profit that are holding this one. You can see, look at this gap up. It gapped up from the $12 area up there to $28 right now. So huge move. Everybody who was long last week waking up this morning, they're like, whoa, I'm up 133%. Talk about a fun one to wake up to. That's kind of the dream right there. Wake up with one of your stocks up 133%. Can't complain about that. INSM, somebody calling out a double top. Well, it looks like it's going higher here, breaking through 29 again. A lot of buying pressure here. I think a lot of people are just going to be chasing this one. They see that 133% and they're like, I want to get some of that action. They want that move. You can see here previously on the daily chart, well, weekly chart, looking back here, we're above really where the stock has ever been before. This is a new high. This stock has never been this high before. Wait, it has been actually. It's been up, I think when it IP. Yeah, there we go. Way back in the day, some reverse splits and stuff. But in the last, 8 years, this stock has not been this high. So you can see previously it got there to the $34 area way back in the day, back in 06. Before the market crash, back in 04, it was up at the $42 area here. INSM. Not sure we're going to get that high, but damn. Still got a lot of move there from that $30 area up to that $33.40 if it really wants to go here. This is phase 3 news here. It wants to go. What's going on, Chris Warren? Welcome to the live chat. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment on the videos, help me help you. Remember, I'm not getting paid other than just you guys watching this video. The longer you watch, the more you interact, the more money I make. And trust me, the money is not, there's not a lot of money to be made here on YouTube, but hey, it's still fun talking to you guys and keeping me busy. Keep me in line, actually. It's funny because when I have the live chat going, I feel like I trade, I don't know about a lot better, but I definitely have more restraint, more, you know, people watching. You kind of keep yourself in line here. If you guys are just now tuning in, just want you guys to see, I'm not trying to brag. This is nothing to brag about, but I want you guys to see that I'm up $108 right now on INSM. And there it is, up $108 there on INSM, small size, 150 shares, playing it safe this morning. If you watched my videos over the weekend or you watched the video yesterday, I talked about how I wanted to play this support resistance better. I wanted to get loaded up at the resistance instead of trying to get this breakdown. You know, previously on a stock like this, I probably would have shorted here at the 26.79 area. Got a little bit of a move, but this was the big move right there, shorting into that resistance and then bang, covering lower. I think Bob left a comment on one of my videos talking about how I was scared and covering. It's not about being scared. It's, you know, you get that point earlier. Before, if I would have, you know, shorted here, this thing would have went higher. I would have thought, okay, it's there at resistance, and then you're, you know, down $200, $300. It's like, okay, I want to play it safe. I want to take profit. I want to get out of that stock. And you can see INSM up to that 29.20 area. There you go, Kevin. Kevin's keeping me in line. Uh-oh, Dexter's calling it. Dexter's calling the tank at open here on INSM. It's up 130%. Come on, there's got to be some kind of sell in there. You know someone's taking profit there. But the only bad part is you're gonna have a lot of shorts who are also thinking the same thing. So there's a good chance this could go higher. There it is, 29.25, new high there. Wow, 29.33 new high there on INSM. We might get a 150% move here. We got 7 minutes till market open. Pre-market, got everybody chasing this thing. They want it. They want to get in. They want that action. This is really the only thing moving this morning, and everybody wants some of that action. Look at this now. It's up there from the $26 area. I covered on this short there at $26.79. It got down there to $25.80. Now it's up there to $29.50. $29.50, 140%. I need a bell. Ding, 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 140%. Let's see if we get this moved to 150 here. Wow. Talk about a wild one. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. We might get a big move up to that $30 area here at open. Might get a crash. The stock's up 140%. It's really hard to sit here and call out what you think is going to happen, because at this point, it's just a battle. Shorts, seeing how stubborn the shorts are, seeing how crazy the longs are. Do they want to chase this? Do people want to chase this? See all the Robin Hooders who are like, I'm chasing this thing all the way to the moon. I'm sure on StockTwits right now, they're calling it. Someone's calling this going to 100. Get in now. It's going to 100. 5-year high there on INSM. Up to that 29.50 area, just going higher. I've seen a couple people call out tops here, but I'm not sure the top is in yet. As long as we're in pre-market, as long as the volume's kind of thin, gonna get people chasing, gonna get the shorts covering. Buying right now would definitely be a big gamble. Either way, it could go higher, it could go lower. I know someone's gonna comment and be like, well, he doesn't know which way it's gonna go. Well, nobody knows which way this thing's gonna go. It's up 140%. Come on, guys. It's going higher, it's going lower. It's gonna make a big move either way here at open. We'll see. It's gonna be fun either way. Just sit back here and watch what's gonna happen with this stock. But I have a better feeling that this stock wants to go down more than it wants to go up here. Gonna be a lot of selling pressure. Gonna be a lot of people taking profit. This stock's up 140%. You got a lot of people buying this morning. The people who bought here at the $22 area are sitting there like, okay, time to take profit here before open. I want to get out now. But wow. Still getting some buy in there. 29.25 on the bid. Pretty insane here. Woo! I think we're going to see 150% here. We got 5 minutes left pre-market. Get your jetpack on. It's going higher. I should have loaded up at this $26 area. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Talk about a wild move. 26 bounce there. Up there to $29.50 now. So $3 move in about 20, 30 minutes here. Gonna be fun to watch here at open either way. It's holding that 9 EMA right now. Look at this trend. Just ding, 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 ding. Higher, 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 higher lows, higher lows. Getting bought up. You can see the bottom of all these candles getting bought up there. Not a lot of selling. A little bit of selling there on that candle, but still, boom. Got engulfed right back up there to 29.60. So a lot of full bodies here. Bang, 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 bang. INSM. We got a crazy one. I see people talking about fundamentals here on INSM. I think the big thing right now is just it's a madness. You got the shorts, you got the longs, people chasing it, people trying to go short. It can go either way. At this point, fundamentals mean nothing. If there's enough volume, there's enough action, enough people trying to chase it, enough people trying to short it, it just becomes a thing of madness as somebody thinks they found the top and the other guy thinks they found a good bottom to buy. BCRX, another mover this morning, gapping up to that $6 area, now down there to $5.40. So nice little drop from that $6 area. Not a lot of volume there. INSM probably taking all the volume out of the market right now. Everybody trying to get in on this, trying to go short, trying to go long. All the traders trying to call the top here. That $29 area right now, getting down to that 20 EMA, holding that 28.75 area. Boom, big green candle there. Back up to that 29.40 area. We'll see if we get a new high of day here. 2 minutes till market open. It's up 140%, up 139, up 137. This thing's crazy. Got about a minute 30 now till market open. Stay tuned for this one. INSM. We talked about previously, this thing is up above any resistance in the last, what, 8-10 years here. Back in 05, 06, I think this was at $32, so maybe we find some resistance there if this does go higher, but overall, this is just a clear breakout. Breaking out above this 27.60 area, up there to 29.39 now. Look at the buying coming in here. It wants to make a new high here before open. Getting ready to open here. Got this double top here. Well, kind of double top. 29.64 there. We'll see if we want to get to that break there of 29.64. Or maybe go all the way up to that $30 area here at open. TECK. Someone calling it out. Okay, I'll check it out. TECK. My kind of stock. I like it. It's down 4.6% right now. Keep this on the watch list over here. TECK. What's the news on it? I gotta watch INSM here at open. Back up that 29.50 here, 29.60, holding it down. So there we are, market open here. See if we get a drop, see if we get that move higher. A lot of action here. And we're getting some selling, people taking profit here on INSM. Down there to 28.50 now from that move there at 29.50. Getting bought up, bouncing here. Off the 20 EMA, wanting to go higher. INSM. Not really crashing here. Getting some good buy-in, volume filling in here. Wanting to go higher. Holding this 20 EMA here, 28.75 support. See where this candle is going to go here. There it goes, crashing now. Well, not crashing, but pulling back here. Back down that $28 area through that 20 EMA there. INSM. Just sitting back here, seeing if we get some kind of resistance to form. Get some good selling here. But overall, still a lot of buying going on. Through $28 there. Down there to 27.63 there. Waiting to see if we get some kind of bounce here on INSM before I go long or short. I'm already up $100 on the day, so I'm playing it safe right now. I know it's not a huge win, but still, I'm happy to be green right now. I'm going to wait to see if we get this move. Some kind of resistance to form here on INSM. Right now we got 3 candles, big red candles, heading lower here. Waiting for the bounce here. Want to see some green? Want to see a nice little green candle back up to that $28 area maybe here. There we go. Nice little bounce there. INSM. See if we get back to that 28.75 area. Let's go short there. If we find some resistance there. Big green candle heading higher here. 28.43, 28.30. Back down there. Finding resistance. Should have shorted there. Thought we might get that move back to the 28.75 here, hitting off the EMAs there. Still up 126% right now. INSM bouncing this 27.60 area right now. Look for this break at this 27.30 area for a move lower here. Got 100 shares short there at 27.40. Just small size here. So you get that move back to this 26.79 area. INSM going higher, back above that $28 area. INSM back up that 28.75 area. See if INSM wants to crack here. Back down to this 27.63 area. There we go. INSM, come on, 27.63 break. Bouncing there, 27.63 right now. There we go. Come on, lower. Big seller there at 27.70. Looking for that 60 break here. Getting some selling pressure there. 60 break. Come on. There we go. Through 60. Beautiful. Back down that 38. Looking for this 50 to break here. 50 buyer stepping in there. There we go. 40s. Can't cover this right now. Are you kidding me? Are you guys seeing this? I can't cover. Wow. What is this? There, I covered 50 there at 27.49 finally. Looking to see if we get this move through this 27.20 here. You got the VWAP right there at 27.39 right now. I got 50 shares left. Gonna give it some time here. See if we get a full dollar move down this 27.18 area. Looks like we're gonna get it here. We get through this 27.29 area through the VWAP there. Get this crash down to the $27 area. I'm going to cover above 27.60 area if it once gets back bounced there off that area. Still, it's up 127%, 123% here. INSM, finding some support there at the VWAP right now. 27.30, the VWAP. Having some trouble here. Nice. BCRX, seeing that over there. I gotta pull it up on my smaller screen on the left there. See if we get through this support there. VWAP holding here. 27.29, 30 area. 27.30 here on INSM. There we go. Through that 27. Gonna cover for a full dollar here in a second. If it wants to keep going. Not getting that clear break there. Just a little bit of a drop through that VWAP and then back up. Giving a little bit of time here. INSM right now. Bouncing around right here. Need to get a nice big crack down to that $27 area. Got the VWAP right now. They're at 27.30. Look, we're going to get a support there. See if we get this break. Like to see a big, nice red candle here. Give me a big red candle. Give me a big red candle, baby. Getting choppy, kind of bouncing around here. Finding that support there. Holding right now. 27.30 area. See a big crack in selling here. 27.30 VWAP holding. Come on, big red candle right here. Give me that big red candle, baby. 20 holding. Come on, get out of there, 20. Who's buying there? Tell that guy to get out of there. No point in buying that low. Just get over it. Why buy there at 27.20 when you can buy at 27? There we go. Come on. Give me some red. Let me see some selling here. 27.20 area. Just holding. Fighting right there. Come on. 27.20 break. There we go, 27.20 break. Boom! Down to the $27 area, beautiful. Holding with ease right now. Covering there at 27.18, getting that full dollar move. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to be greedy. We all know where that greed does. So I lost a little bit on this little bit of a drop here. Got in there, kind of resorting to my old ways, getting it back. So I'm happy to be back in the green. This thing's probably going to go lower now that I covered. You guys can go ahead and short it because it's going to go low, low, lower. 27 break there. Oh, come on. There she goes, INSM down there to 26.88 now. Like I said, the moment that I covered, this thing went lower. If you ever want to figure out when to go short or when to go long, just do the opposite of me sometimes. Man. There she goes, INSM. Oh, you're killing me here. You make me look really bad, INSM, on this chat. Everyone's going to be like, I told you so. I told you it was going lower. I told you. I told you. Everyone's going to call it now. Come on. Just go ahead and write your comments. I want to hear it. Dean, 27.50 short. Nice. So, talk about really quickly just how the plan worked out here. INSM got back up to that 28.75 area. I talked about it. Literally, I was like, I want to go short there at 28.75. I got a little bit of FOMO. I got a little bit of yeah, I guess FOMO, really. Got back out there, touched 27 28.78 there. Boom. Hit that 28.75 area. And now down there at 26.75. So, ouch. I covered for a full dollar there. Getting out at 27.18. Going short there at 28.18. It's one of those things. I try to, if I get a full dollar, I'm happy with that. I'll take it. You can call it what you want, but hey, at the end of the day, it's my P&L, not yours. Crazy one, CDZI. What's up with CDZI? Nice little move over this $14 area up there to $14.50 just a couple minutes ago. MSDI moving up there 44% right now. It's not my Skype chat room. If you see the alerts, that's the Skype chat room. That is a chat room that I'm a part of, but it's not mine. I don't run it. I don't own it. I don't make $1 million. Somebody called me out on Twitter, said that I make $1 million a year off of a Skype chat room. I wish I made $1 million. That would be amazing. Make $1 million selling subscribers. Let me get your money. Give it to me. Give it to me. ABEO. Nice little 6% jump there up to that 14.75 right now. CC making $1,000 there on INSM at open. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. I was like, finger on the trigger already. I was thinking about shorting right here at 29.50 area, and I was like, Patrick, give it some time. Let this trade set up. That was probably where I should have went short there. Andre. I think it's Andre. Everybody making money this morning. What's up with that? Everybody's making money. That's what it's all about. Hey, if everybody else makes more money than I do, it's all good. Because remember, at the end of the day, I'm just here for the enjoyment, for the sheer enjoyment. TECK. Somebody called this one out. It's down there to 24.10 now from that 24.80 double top. INSM get a little bit of a bounce there. 26.60 areas. So I'm trying to make a new rule this week for myself personally. You guys can do whatever you want to do. It's up to you. But my new rule this week, I'm going to be done at 10 o'clock. I'm going to be done at 10 o'clock. So, done trading. I'm going to walk away and go do something else. So, we'll see how that works out. If you guys didn't hear, or you don't follow me on Twitter, I broke my damn monitor last night. My monitor literally fell over. I don't know why. I have two monitors. Both of the monitors fell over when I was messing around with my desk. One of them cracked. The other one's still working. Luckily, this one's still working, so I can trade today. But ended up ordering a new monitor. You guys are gonna love this new monitor. It's literally 43 inches long or wide. 43 inches. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't burn my retinas. How's the audio right now? You guys hear me? I'm moving my mic around here, trying to get a better setup here. LG, the new LG 43-inch monster monitor. I'll be able to watch some serious movies on that baby. Brandon, dude, that first 30 minutes, honestly, if you can't make money in the first 30 minutes, you're not going to make money in the rest of the day. So the best thing to do is make that money in the first 30 minutes, bang, be done. Audio is great, nice. I'm actually got I've been doing nothing but upgrading, actually. I got this new thingy that's going to come over here and give me some better audio there. INSM. I know. Where's Clay? Clay Fitness is going to be like, I told you to hold it. I told you to hold it. PBR. Somebody's in PBR right now. Okay, check it out. CDZI. Talked about this one this morning. If you guys tuned in, you can see making that move there at 9:30 from that 12.88 area up to that 14.50. Nice. Nice little move there on CDZI. Up 46% on the day so far. Bang. Not a lot of volume. Not loving the volume on this thing. There you go. Trade for life. Making money. Be done. That's what it's all about. Beto. Why do I have a rule about stopping at a certain time? Well, I just look at my previous performances, and the best days that I've ever had, day trading have always happened in the morning in that first 30 minutes. I literally, like, the best days where I just made the most amount of money with the least amount of trades was always early morning, bang, being done. So I think that's just kind of personally where I want to be. Jordan Pepper in the house, $357. What's up, my boy? Jordan Pepper in the house. CDZI. What else is moving around? We got 3 minutes left here. Let's do something. XOAMA. No volume on that one. Not loving it. Somebody asked about AMD. AMD is one of those stocks. You can ask Jordan Pepper. This guy trades this thing every day. Every day, the guy trades AMD and makes money somehow. I don't know how he does it, but if you want to learn more, ask Jordan Pepper about AMD, how he does it. Look at that kind of double bottom there, 1288. Nice little spike there at open from 1288 up there to 1316. This is a huge float stock. So you got to really know what you're doing. We're getting a little rally in the tech stocks today. Is that what the word is? Well, it looks like we're actually red right now. What's the overall market showing right now? SPY's red. Where's that TVIX go? TVIX getting crushed there. Look at that. Look at this candle from $17 down there to 1660. Boom. First minute there. Really on TVIX. Nasty. All these guys who went long here thought this thing was going to keep going higher. Look at it now. Just boom. Crashing lower. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. I'm going to be giving away a drone at some point this week. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I got to figure it out. I got an extra drone, a brand new DJI Phantom 3. I want to give it away in this live chat. We're going to do it live. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to do it somehow. And give it away in the live chat. Thank you guys for all tuning in. I want to help you. If you haven't already, if you don't know about me, I got all kinds of drones. I don't know if I love drones, but I got all kinds of drones. We love the drones. So I want to give away a drone to one of you guys. No Lily drone. No, short the Lily drone. Short the Lily drone. People are already calling the drone. You guys are fierce. You guys are real fierce. Some real fierce people in this chat. How are we looking on INSM? INSM. Getting a bit of a squeeze there. I'm not going to call it a squeeze, but getting a bit of a bounce there. Back up to that 27.63 here. So I took profit. I don't feel too bad. If this would have went down to like $20, I might feel pretty bad, but I feel good about it. Got a full dollar move. You can see I went short there. 28.18. Covering there at 27.18. Not bad. Not bad. INSM trying to bounce here. It's still up 123%. This thing is insane. Up 123%. Come on now. Watch Drone Nerds. Dallas Rex. You watch Drone Nerds? Nice. If you haven't already, watch Drone Nerds. Dallas is calling it out. Nice work, Bob. Bob over there making some money. I like Bob. Bob keeps it real. Bob calls me out. He writes comments about how I'm scared, but hey, it happens, you know. Oh, I could always do the I coulda, woulda, shoulda thing. You know, hindsight's 2020. I could have loaded the boat here. Could have got 1,000 shares, be up $1,000. But hey, that wouldn't be any fun. Chris Warren, how do you join the live chat? There's a link in the description, I believe. Hit that link and send me an email. I'll get you into the live chat. It's a free chat room. You can check it out. I'll show you guys some of the alerts this morning. Some of the alerts here. Boom, boom. CDZI there this morning, getting in there at $14. People took profit there at $14.50. MSDI, a couple big movers this morning. It's free. Come check it out. The live chat. It's a lot of fun. There's a bunch of people in there all talking, bouncing stocks around. Right now, there's 319 people, and it's a little bit better than this feed in terms of structure and plan and stuff. Really, this feed is my personal feed, and I've just been on a mission lately to really work on my trading style, kind of evolve my trading style. I don't know if it's really working or not, but we'll see. The chat room is not free. The chat room is free for like a week. Free trial. It's a free trial. BCRX. Somebody called this out this morning. I want to toast you on that one. Look at BCRX there. Up there to 580. Now down there, a full dollar move down there to 490. Going lower and lower. Just making no attempt to go higher here. Just basically ding, 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 higher, lower, lower, lower. Hopefully you guys enjoy my sound effects. Been really trying to work on my sound effects here and perfect those. So we talked about this one this morning. It was on my watch list over here. BCRX. Shorting this one there. Nice. Nice little pop there up to the 570 area. 575. EGRX. Eagle getting some news there. Not a lot of volume there. Don't like it. I want to see a lot of volume on these babies. Let me get a couple million shares traded. INSM. Double top there at the 2763 area. Support, resistance. A couple people asked me why I put these. Jim Cramer is going to start watching my show. He's gonna be pretty jealous basically. I want to get that new 43-inch monitor. It's gonna be a game changer. I just feel like my profit is going to enlarge at least double the profit every day now with a larger monitor. I can really see the full bars there trading. Gotta get ready for this hurricane. Anybody else in South Florida? Buy some water, buy some food. Don't be on YouTube on Friday or this weekend crying about I have no water, because that water is gonna be sold out. Oh, Michael with a joke there. You know what they say, bigger is always better. CDZI, somebody's shorting that one, huh? You don't want to go long there. Short sale restriction there on CDZI. Got a double top there at the 1430 area. 5-cent ticker. When it starts moving, it's going to move fast. See if we get through this 1375 area. Kind of balancing 1375. Got that support there. 1375 needs a break there to go lower. Whoa. Well, the problem with Tim Sykes being in Miami, he's not actually in Miami. The guy is in Bali. If you haven't seen his Instagram, the guy rented out 2 villas in Bali for him and Tim Grittani. They're just sitting there in Bali with each other's, playing with each other's, you know what they're playing with. What song is that? I don't even know. This is literally just some kind of YouTube free thingy. This is the channel. This is I clicked on it. You know why I clicked on this damn playlist? I'll give you guys an idea. I'm sure you can figure it out just by looking at the thumbnail there. But that's the music that's playing on the background if you want to check it out. CDZI 1370 holding right now. Boom, 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 boom. Sound effects. All right. I've literally trying to think about. So I have got a lot of work to do today, and I've actually got to go into Drone Nerds, handle some stuff. But like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be giving away a drone this week. It'll be pretty funny. I don't know. We're going to figure out how to give it away. I know they have like bots and stuff for those live channels, so maybe we'll do that. We'll figure out a way to give away a drone this week, doing it live I don't know, a couple of different places they give away money, so maybe we'll start giving away money in the live chat. Just dollar bills every day, giving it away here. We'll see. All my profit, just give it away. It would really work out. Get to school, man. Get to school, Hung. I really butcher names sometimes. Sorry about that. If I did butcher your name, maybe it'll be like a, you know, it'd be pretty cool is if everybody had a little like ATM on their computer screen and just like shot out dollar bills every time I made profit. That'd be pretty awesome. Do you export the drone to Germany? I'll export that drone to Germany. I'll send that drone to wherever the hell you guys are. One drone for everybody. Free drone for everybody. No, I'm just, don't quote me on that. No drone, only one drone. If I was making a couple $10,000 a day, if I was like Tim Grittani shorting 10,000, 100,000 shares there of INSM this morning, that would be a beautiful, beautiful trade there. INSM from that 29.50 area down there to 26.79. So we called it. We had a nice little top there. A couple people calling out the top there. 29.50 area. Going short there. You can see I got in a little bit later. And overall in the day, I'm up 100 and what, 30 bucks. Do the commissions, all that fun stuff. Probably about 100 bucks on the day. So I'll take it. For anybody who's wondering, I make money doing other things than just trading. So I don't need to have an insane amount of P&L every single day. For me, the biggest thing is just about being green, just about not losing money. If I can not lose money every single day, that's the goal. If I break even every day, I'll take it. All right. FI. FI short. MNK, what we got? Thoughts on MNK. MNK, ooh. Getting some selling pressure there on MNK from that 41.50 area down there to 36.50 now. Got 1 million shares traded, so decent amount of volume. No, trading is my life, but I don't have to live off of it. I'm not pressured to living off of trading, so I don't need to have insane P&Ls every day. But if I, like I said, if I can not lose money, that's really what my goal is. Not gonna break the rule here. It's 10:09. I think I'm done for the day. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Help me, help you. I'm begging you guys, help me. Let's get this channel up to what, 1 million subscribers. That would be pretty cool to see. And like I said, I'm done for the day. It's 10:10. What other jobs do I have? If you haven't watched my videos, stock, you will see other videos. I do social media, I do videos, YouTube, all that fun stuff. Making money. Instagram, if you haven't followed me. Jesse, you can come stay with me, man. I got you. I got plenty of room for you. We can trade together. We can do all kinds of stuff together here. No Uber. I don't drive for Uber. Come on, that's way... I'm not saying that's bad, but it's too much work. Michigan Dual Sport Motor Racing. That's a nice name. Look at that. He made 370 bucks there on INSM this morning. Somebody making some money. We'll do it tomorrow morning. We'll do it over tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Let's do it. Let's do it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna get out of here. Talk to you guys later. This thing always is really awkward to turn off sometimes.